Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Phantom wallet on your desktop or laptop, whatever PC you're using. The first step is always to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the real first step is to go to Phantom's website, and you can see it right here on the screen. And now you'll see here a section that says download for Chrome. It'll adjust to whatever browser you're on, but if you don't see your browser, you can go to discover more, and it'll show you the available browsers for the Phantom extension. So you can see we've got Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Brave, and we're going to click on Chrome. And that is going to take us to the Chrome web store, and all we want to do is add to Chrome. And once you do that, it'll start downloading the extension, and once that is done, it'll load up this web page, and it'll ask you, do you want to create a new wallet or do you already have one? And we'll say create a new wallet, and here we can either continue with email or create a seed phrase. And I'm going to go with the seed phrase option just for those who maybe don't use a Google account or so forth. So if we use the seed phrase option, it's going to ask us to create a password. So set up your password, confirm your password, and then agree to the terms of service. Now it's going to bring you to your recovery phrase. Unfortunately, Phantom doesn't have a built-in copy feature and you can't highlight everything. So make sure to write this down or take a photo and secure it. Keep it in the most secure place, because if you do intend to actually put something in this wallet, whoever has access to that phrase has access to your wallet. Now you can hit continue. Make sure to add Phantom to the extensions bar. So pin it, that's the word, pin the extension. And if you click on the Phantom icon, Phantom wallet will pop up. It'll generally ask you for your password, but I've recently been in it, so that's why. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.